first thing first, we're just cleaning it. We've taken the top off, but for some reason it doesn't want to clip back in here. So I'm going to put the top back on just now. Thank you, YouTube, for telling me how to take the top off manually. But yeah, let's clean her a bit further. Brake light. Fogs don't work that side. This one doesn't want to come on. Cheapest exhaust I could find. Got it all in. At least now it's hanging on its brackets. Hanging on the bracket there. We've got a big silencer. It's not a free flow. Duffix silencer. This one looks more like a free flow, but yeah. And then pipe continues, and then up in there. But I see there's a, look, maybe I've got a sensor missing. And wow, the steering has got some play. What the fuck? This is still an old, it's not a rack and pinion steering, it's still a, what you call it, an old school steering box, huh? Hey, but this oil pan, it's either leaking from there or I think it's just down here, and it just sprays up to the top. We have to clean this engine and inspect some more. And aircon is seized. I'm not even gonna try and unseize it. Shall we? That part turned. That part doesn't want to turn. That doesn't turn, but it does turn there. Whatever. Yeah, so let's spray a bit of shit on here and see how clean I can scrub that part. The engine mounting looks okay. This one looks just dirty. I don't think this car's too bad mechanically. What the fuck is this for? Interesting.
Yeah, Bob, ready?
We'll start with the new exhaust.
Where?
I am so happy. It's only the sun plug or seal, but it's not leaking anywhere else. It's only there. That is freaking good news for me. Just to get back to that cold start now. Those belts were squeaking, so we ended up replacing both belts. And
cleaned up a bit in here. So let's hear another cold start. So we've driven her a couple of kilometers and she's holding up. We got some new interior. We must maybe still take it off again and paint it. See, there's a little bit of a red in it. We fixed the buttons here, sliding, but we're going to take it off again so we can maybe paint it all one color. We got the radio to work. No more code. All the lights in the dash is now working. So two more things. The key first. For some reason, if I switch it on, it's in the off position. Yeah, I'm not gonna start it, but you'll see my fog lights are both on. For no reason, the fog lights just comes on. So we researched a bit and they think there's something wrong with the switch. I bought a new switch and we're gonna fit it sometime and hopefully that works. Secondly, my reverse light don't work. So if I put it in reverse, the lights don't come on in the back. It's deep inside this. I bought another one, both second-hand parts. So if they don't work, at least I've got one to dismantle and try and fix. So she's in reverse and no reverse lights are on. But turn the lights on, the two lights are on. If I switch it over to the fog lights, you can see the little light is on. I've got a fog light on both sides. Now this side, there's no wire running to it. So I ran a wire to get it nice and even. Just having one light looks pretty cock. Fix the door. So now she closes without funny noises, and the gap for the window lines up nicely. Sorry, she's dirty again. I've been driving. We found out that fuel gauge don't work. The fender liners, the bottom tray. I bought new side skirts, but they need to be fixed a little bit. They are in better condition than mine. Not side skirts, dorsals. Dorsals. Here's the side skirts. They're silver. Silver in color, so I need to fix them and sand them down. And here's the window switch and the new gear shift. We also bought a shock for the stop to work again, and then some extra bolts and nuts. Got these tires for free almost, and not tires, rims, sorry, these tires are shot. But we're going to check what these rims look like on the car. So that is it for tonight, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Click on the like button, click on the subscribe button, and leave your comments. So in the next video, we're going to talk about other cars. No. The Mini is going back to BMW tomorrow to figure out why the engine light is on. We did replace some parts. The C-Class is, feel I'm being ripped off. We did a turbo job, we paid a lot of money, and she's worse off. The SL, I also feel a bit ripped off. The power steering people, the car, yeah, we still have to work on that. But yes, guys, thank you very much for watching, and we'll next week have a fantastic week coming.